Okay, now we have our new product. It's Mayer Personal Blender. As you can see from the picture itself, this bottle can be transformed into a glass after you blend it. So we have bought this one for how much? How much? 27 SGD. Okay. So it's quite cheap. It's on sale. And I think the original price is, I cannot remember. It's around $80 if I remember correctly. So now we will open our Mayer Personal Blender. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Open it like this. Open it like this. And open it like this. So now, oh, this one is instruction manual. Okay. And register your warranty. Okay. 1 year warranty. Not applicable on misuse, wear and tear. This product is for household use only. Okay. And then from here you can see the cup. This will be the cup of this bottle. So let me just remove it. And then we have this bottle, the blender. Okay. This is the blender. I believe it can be removed after it's blend. Then you can put the cup inside it. So now you have your water bottle. Okay. Let's remove it. So it will look like this. Nice. Okay. Next. What is inside is the motor. Okay. This is our blender. Let's just remove it. Okay, remove it. So we have this one. Okay. Okay, so let's open this blender. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da. And it look like this. So it's quite simple only. On and off. There's no speed. And we have this 3 plug pin, a UK plug. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.